Hi, welcome to the quickt.net. My name is Amrita and today we will going to learn about Xpath. Xpath is defined as a XML path. XML path is a query language for XML document. It is made of path expression governed by some predefined condition. Xpath is used to find out the exact web location using the HTML DOM structure. Xpath is also used to navigate through element and attribute in a DOM. Syntax of Xpath. Okay, so we will going to see about the syntax of Xpath. Okay, so Xpath always be begin with my tag name @ means two word, @ stands for two word. Two word what? Attributes equal to value of that attribute. Xpath syntax generally start with the double slash. Double slash means that would be my relative Xpath generally start from double slash. Okay, so this is to say it will begin the current node defined by the tag name. The next part is my tag name. It denotes the HTML tag name of the node, whether it is input, div, p tag, span tag. Square bracket. Anything present inside the node enclosed in a square bracket. These are the square bracket. Attribute name. Attribute name is the name of the attribute of the node, and the value of attribute denote the attribute value from the node. Okay, so we will be going to see one of the example called orangehrm.com. Okay, I will copy this URL. Okay, and will create a new class for a same. So what I will going to do, I will copy the same link and paste it over here. Okay, and here I am changing my URL. Okay, so in the previous example I have told you, okay, this one, the tag name attribute and the value of my attribute. Okay, I am going to put here so you guys will understand. Okay, I need to find the username web locator. So how do I find? By using Xpath I need to find. So can you see, this is the valid element. So I need to copy this element. Okay, paste it over here. So you can see input is the tag name. Okay, name is my attribute and the value of attribute is my text username. Okay, so we need to use the relative Xpath. So relative Xpath always be begin with my double slash. Okay, but before that, okay, I need to check it out. Okay, how to define the Xpath. So I can say driver.find element. Just a second, I will comment this out. Okay, and I will be saying driver dot find element by dot Xpath. Okay, Xpath expression I need to give. So I am giving here, start with the double slash. Okay, and tag name is input @ attribute is you can take any attribute ID or text. Okay, Here I am taking id equal to txt username in a single quote, square bracket complete. Okay, that's it. And I am writing over here web element username equal to. Okay, then I am going to send some value inside my username. Okay, value is admin, right? So let's run this code and check it out whether it is working. Okay, some error is happening over here. Okay, we will check it out what kind of error. Okay, unable to use, invalid selector, unable to locate an element with Xpath expression. Okay, so I need to check what is going wrong over here. By.xpath. Okay, let me change this double slash. Can you see the my value is being entered over here? Okay, so double slash is my stand for my relative Xpath. That means any element will start from any node. Okay, so what is the double slash meaning? It select any element in the DOM that matches the selection. Additionally, it does not have to be the exact node and can be present anywhere in the node. Okay, whereas you are using the single slash in absolute Xpath. That means it select a node from the root element only. In the another word, if you want to select the first available node, then this kind of expression we will going to be used. Okay, so basically we will going to see the types of XPath in next session. Okay, and how to use of absolute XPath and a relative XPath we will going to see in the next lecture. So keep testing along with me. Happy testing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.